Hi all, I'm Guru here. Guys, I'm back to you people. Today I would like to discuss with you people on the bug flow. Bug flow means what? So what is the communication between the developer and the tester? So one flow, second flow, third flow, fourth flow, I would like to discuss with you people. How really bug is getting flowed between the tester and the developer. Okay, let us start. See, suppose tester he started executing the cases. Okay, during execution he found that there is a difference between what he is expecting and what is happening in the build. So he will encounter one defect, and he would like to communicate that defect to the particular developer who is developing that particular module. For example, how he is going to do? How actually he is going to report that particular defect, what he has got. First, he would like to write one description about that defect. Means what exactly that defect means. How exactly the defect has been. What is that particular explanation of that defect in one shot? He will write. We call it as a synopsis. Okay. So second comes up in which environment he found. Means what are the environments he has used while getting that defect. Then in which module he found a defect. Then what kind of test case number got failed. He will mention the test case number also, which test case got failed, and what is the tester's name, which name, on which name he is rising that defect, particular defect. And step to reproduce the defect. Step to reproduce the defect in the sense he will what are the things he is going to do on the application, right? He would like to make those as a step, and he would like to mention very clearly how he got the defect. And finally he will write it out what he is expecting, what is happening, and apart from that he will attach the screenshot also. So screenshot will give them the clear picture what exactly the defect that guy has got. Then he would like to decide what kind of severity he would like to assign to the developer. Severity in the sense whether that defect, how severely it is impacting to the end user. According to the impact of the end user, he is going to start the severity, and according to that he would like to mention the priority also. Both of the things depends on the tester how he is going to mention it, and he's to whom he is going to assign. So this is the clear information he wanted to put on the defect side. So once he click on the submit, right? So he will get one number. That is, we call it as a defect ID number. So if I search that defect ID number in the tool, right, I will get the details of that particular defect. Immediately, one mail will go to the developer. Developer will check an email and he would like to reproduce that defect. He would like to look into the defect, what kind of defect it is. And first most thing is every developer they will see the severity level of the defect. Then he would like to open the code for that particular defect which the testers got, and he would like to modify the codes where the defect should not arise, and he would like to change the status from new to open. Initially, whenever the tester is raising the defect, it is a new status. When it is went to the developer, once they are confirmed it is a particular defect, then they will change the status to the open status of that particular defect with a severity and priority. Then he would like to fix that defect, and the same defect which he has fixed, he will change the status from open to fixed and verified, and it will come back to the tester in the new build, not in the particular build. In the new build it will come to the tester wanted to do the retesting on that particular build. Once the defect is working as per expected, means the actual result and expected result got mapped, the tester is going to change the status from fixed and verified to closed status, and he will write the comments stating that this defect is working as per expected. Henceforth, I am changing the status of the defect to the closed status. This is one flow. Guys. Another flow is Whenever the tester is raising the defect with a new status, sometimes developer could not able to understand the defect, what exactly he wanted to communicate. At that time, the new status of the defect, which is appeared in the developer, they would like to make the defect status as rejected, and they will write the comments, can you brief more? Because developer will not able to understand the defect what tester is going to raise. Then again it will come back to the tester, and the testers would like to see once again where the fault is, what clarity he want. He will write that clarity in the comment section and he will send it to the tester. Tester would like to see the comment section and he would like to modify the steps, and he will put more clarity on that particular defect in the edit mode. Again, he will send back to the developer, let him check. This is another state of the defect which is going to communicate between the tester and the developer. Sometimes the defect, the tester has raised the invalid defect because tester may not know the functionality. Sometimes he may raise the defect as an invalid, even though the functionality works fine. If he has raised the defect as an invalid, right? Straightforward, once the defect is reached to the developer, they will make it as rejected and they will write the comments, this is not a defect. Again, it will come back to the tester to re-verify it. This is what status of the defect. Another status is whenever the defect they have raised against the developer, once it is reached to the development side, right, they will see the priority level and they will change the status. It is in deferred status. Deferred status means we will fix it, but we will fix it in the next release. Guys, these all are some kind of defect status where the status will be communicated between the tester and the developer. Guys, if you wanted to work with me on the project, so I'm going to start a new batch on the banking project and the ERP product where you will get a good hands-on experience. It will give you a lot of confidence. Go to my YouTube, there is a particular link. Click on that particular link. You will be back with me and we will discuss further what exactly we are going to work on the project, which module you have a responsibility on the QA room. I will assign you the particular module on the banking project where I will guide you how to work in an industry, same work you are going to work under my guidance to get a good hands-on experience. Once you get a good hands-on experience, guys, no one can touch you. You can work as an independent tester. And parallelly, you will clear the interview also in such a manner, it will be very smooth discussion between you and the interviewer. Guys, it is one of the best opportunity. Join with me and start working with me as early as possible. So I have a limited seat. I don't want to take a huge people. There is a limited seats which are available to work with me. Attend my free demo. It is a free of demo. See whether you can able to comfortable with my session and are you happy with my session. Just attend my free demo. Then you can take your own call to join in my session. Guys, it is the best opportunity. Join with me. I would like to help you. Thank you. I would like to see you in my live session, demo session. See you again. Thank you.